Good morning, people. Today is the 26th of June, and I'm going to do for the members that is part of Team Aquila and of the Grace community a short presentation just to show you guys what are we doing and how it can change our lives. All right, just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Also remember that I'm just a member myself. And what I did is I used some of my own slides, I used some of the other slides, and I've used some of the official slides just to make it a comprehensive short thing for everybody to know. Okay, our ultimate goal at the end of the day is to be in Grace community. Now, to get in Grace community, there's various ways to do it. There's lots of teams working on the same principle or different approaches how to get into Grace community. But once you're in Grace community, there's going to be three types of income that you're going to get. So what we're having at the moment, this is what the dashboard is going to look like. On the dashboard, you will see at the end of the day, our ultimate goal is to be part of Grace Essentials. Now, Grace Essentials, remember also that Grace community is currently in what we call a beta stage. They will launch soon, and the moment they're going to launch, this Grace Essentials is going to become active, and that is where you're going to receive income. First of all, when you go through Grace community and you buy something online, you can do it, you'll get a discount, but you and all the people below you is going to get a percentage income also from these people that is buying online. The second way of income, and this is where we currently is very concentrating on, is the ambassador program. The ambassador program is live, it's running, and just hold on, you guys will see how it goes onto the how it can change your lives. And then the third portion is that a debit card will also be made available. So while I'm saying this is, when you register in Grace community, please use your KYC names, your ID book names, or your registration names, because at the end of the day, you're going to link your account to your debit card, and your debit, there will be two types of cards. There will be a virtual card and an actual debit card where you can convert your cryptos over to USD and you can swipe it at any shop. It does take a long time for Grace to launch this because there's lots of legalities to go through, and because it is all over the world. It's not just in one country. All right. So let's concentrate at this stage on the ambassador program. Now, once you come into the ambassador program, there's 5 different levels that you can reach. And each of these levels, this is going to be, take note for the existing users, there's a monthly contribution. And each level, you got to pay each month. If you're on level 1, you only pay $120. If you're on level 2 or level 3, each month you're going to pay the 120 plus 200 is 300. But what you're going to get out of this, of your $120 on level 1 is roughly about $200, then $600, and on level 3, you're really starting to make an income. So in a nutshell, you guys can just calculate it out. You have to withdraw this money that you put in out of the $1,400. This will be about $520, more or less. There's some extra stuff. Just keep your words, I'll tell you now. And then you will pay, you'll get your profit out minus your income. But most important is, in Grace, you can only pay from outside to your crypto wallet on the $120. Lots of people are saying, I don't have the money for these monthly incomes. But people forgetting that they're getting an earning on this. So what Grace Community is also doing is, these extra funds that you have to pay is going to come out of the system itself. So what you earn, you're going to use that money to upgrade. So it's important, because lots of people is just here, they're saying no, they're not going to do it. But they're forgetting that they're getting income in and they pay. And people, this is immediately canceling a Ponzi system out. All right. Now let's go on. So, and this is where the Ponzi come in again. If you're on each level, there's a certain amount of people that you need on a 1x2 matrix. If you're on level 1, there's 2 people. Level 2, it's only 6 people in your lineage. Remember, in your lineage. There you get, on level 3, it's 14 people. But this looks very nice and very fast to do. But it's not so easy sometimes, because people need to know people. And if you say, for example, you know 2 people, you can put them underneath you. Remember, those people's not going to earn anything, because they've got to put 2 in again. And so it goes on and on and on. If you come here by level 5, you need 62 people for yourself. Those people underneath you will again need people. So how do we solve this problem? It's easy. We become a part of Team Aquila. And in Team Aquila, we're going to register your personal name in there. And once you're registered in Team Aquila, one of the team members in Team Aquila is going to place you in this matrix. And people, all your stress is gone. The only thing is, and now we say people must not market. But if you're going to start earning this type of money, are you going to tell not somebody else to do it? And that's all you need to do. You're going to start with just telling 2 people. And this is the basis of this thing. You just need 2 people to tell. And those 2 people is going to explode, because the moment now in South African rands, we're talking huge money. How many of you guys is earning over 100,000 rand a month? It's 10 to 1, only your bank account manager and those people. But it's possible for you to earn that money. So this is what we're going to do. Team Aquila is going to start helping and building for you in this thing. And it is people, it is so easy to do. Let's go. Again, one of the big advantages of Team Aquila, and is not mad, as I remember I told you in the beginning, there's other teams that's also building. But let me show you why Team Aquila is unique. Once you've registered in Team Aquila, you're going to actually be part of an app that you will get registered on. And once you're in that app, you will be actually seeing a mirror view of what is happening in your Grace account. If you can check, now there does come now and then, we do get some errors because there's human intervention, but it has been sorted out. And the most important thing is we need to stick to the rules in Team Aquila. If we stick to the rules, because some people try to do their own thing. They think they're going to build themselves. And all of a sudden, remember my story when I told you the other people is getting in trouble because they don't, and then they get angry with you. But as you can see, this is what Team Aquila is doing for you. All right. So once you're in the app, I'll tell you now how to get in here. Once you've got in the app of Team Aquila, there's different sections where we can see, and I'm going to just highlight 1 or 2 of them. So this is how you log into your Aquila. Now, people remember this is very, very transparent because you can see what is, okay, let me just keep quiet a bit. I'm too anxious to show you. First of all, we're having a community channel. This is going to be internal for the people inside Team Aquila and in. This is also to going to protect ourselves. We're not going to, there's currently a WhatsApp group running, but soon, even as much as next week, we've been informed by the leader, Dani, that this WhatsApp group is going to move away. And you're going to start chatting internally in the community group. Another big advantage is you're going to see the compensation plan. If you use your app correctly, you will actually also see what is your expected income going to be in the system. Isn't that great, people? You don't have to start working out the sums and figures and all that. Then, this is another unique thing that we've got. Once you've registered in Team Aquila, you're going to be linked to a date stamp. So there will not be people that is going to pass you in registering onto Grace. Although, you must remember, there's two types of listings. You've got a funders list and a PIF list. The funders list is the people who's already got their funds available, they register, and within 10 minutes, the leaders, if you tell that leader you've got your money ready, you're going to register in Team Aquila, you immediately going to be put into that matrix, and you're going to get a link to register in Grace. People, it's a question of 20 minutes maximum. Since you started in Grace Community, you got your money, and boom, you're in. You do not have to wait months and weeks to come, because Team Aquila's already got it. And this is what your matrix looks like. You come in, you can see the people above you, you can see the people below you, you can slide left or right. If you got a friend coming in, you will be able to see that person. It's just amazing how this project is going to run. And it's open and transparent. That's what I like. Okay. Now, how do we get in? People, first of all, this is a community, internal community system that we're using. It is by invitation only. You send it to a person that you know, that is not a scammer. You send that link to that person. He comes in he sends that link. One of the persons of the team leaders will contact you. You send him an SMS or whatever. Then they will contact you, and they will sign you up on your phone onto your Team Aquila. Now again, to prevent people from stacking, that means you want to put in 5 or 6 people into the Zoom, or into Grace. You cannot put their names in. Those people must use their own forms, because it is a Google account link. You cannot, it's difficult to register somebody else in the app because of the Google account. All right. It's important. From there on, you will be able to assist the person that you invited. It is possible to do that way. But to start off, we need to have a secure clarity. And this is another part of the security type of feature that we're having in our Team Aquila team. Then, so as I said, you get the contact number from a team leader, you make an appointment, you send them a message, and thereafter, they will register you. And as I said, you're coming to a date stamp into Team Aquila. Once you're in, you can inform that person that is helping you that you've got enough funds. Now, people, I will exactly show you the funds again. Some people say $135, I say $138, and you'll see my reason why I'm doing. So this means, since you start on Team Aquila, Tiffany or Eunine, just say me, how long does it take to process? 10, 20 minutes to get them into Grace registered? Is there anybody that can the leaders? Okay, they switch off because of the Zoom. All right. Okay, let's go on. So what do you need before you contact that person? You need to register. You need to have a selfie pic available for yourself because people, we want to see your faces. And by the way, on our Zoom calls, we're also going to check that people must have their faces onto the Zoom calls in order to prevent scammers. And it's going to be not just for my Zooms. I do believe Team Aquila is going to do the same. But in any case, you're going to get only the Zoom link if you're part of Team Aquila in the app. You need to have your personal information available, your name, ID, that's it. And then preferably, people, you need to have a Gmail account. It is just, these days, it works better in Grace community as well as in Team Aquila to have a Gmail account. Okay, then your address, where you're staying, you need to put that in. And then, of course, the most important is your crypto wallet as well. You cannot, people, if you think about it, every 20 minutes people is coming into the system. We cannot, once you're registered in Grace, wait 2 or 3 days. Now you first got to do your KYC, you got to do your wallet setup. You're battling with bank payments. It's the first time you've done it. Make sure that you are ready with those funds in your crypto wallet, because then it's another 15, 20 minutes once you got your Grace ID that you can be in this and you can start to become a member in order to get income. The other thing as well, if you register in Grace community and you don't do your portion, your link cannot be used for somebody else to register. It's very important. Make sure that you have the funds in your crypto wallet. If you do not know how to create a crypto wallet, you can either contact me or Blanche, or I've also got some videos on my YouTube channel that you can go and check. But Blanche is mostly doing the Web3 wallets. I'm doing the exchange wallets like KuCoin, Binance, whatever you want to use. And then from there on, we work as a team together. There is some of the leaders in Team Aquila that's helping you, but people, we cannot put all the work onto stress onto that person. Even you yourself, if you introduce somebody else, you can be the teacher of those people, helping them. Remember, in this product and in this what we're doing, we do not give people a fish to eat. We teach them how to fish. And this is every member needs to know that and do that and to help each other. Otherwise, we're building out too slowly if we don't do that. Okay, the rules. No scammers. Please. There has been people already in this group that has been deleted, has been nominated as a scammer. He's trying to build himself, he's selfish, or he's trying to get into other people's stuff. People, no scammers. No people that you do not know. If you don't know that person personally, rather do not invite him, because he's going to become a problem maker. Okay. We internal group here. Okay. Once you come up to a level from level 3, remember there's a $1,400. We're going to ask you to start helping members. That is what we call PIFs, to pay them in, to sponsor them in. But I will show you now also, it's not a question of it. You're going to take your money and you're going to transfer it to his wallet. Once that person is registered in the Grace community, in your lineage, you have totally control in helping that person by transferring your funds to that person's account. All right. If you're having problems again, there's lots of support in the Grace, in Team Aquila, that can help you to help themselves. All right. Please, people, it's very important. And then the last point, which Rina asked us to do. When you're going to receive on level 5, people, you're going to earn over $11,000. That's over 200,000 Rand. We're going to ask you each month to sponsor in 10 people. That's $1,000. But you're going to earn, at the end of the day, over 140,000 Rand in rands. Just to ask, it's not even a 10% of what you're going to get in, just to help other people, because this is what we're doing. Remember what I told you in the beginning regarding the e-commerce. This is where we're going to get our big money. This money is not, it's a small comparing to what's going to happen when you pass level 5, when we talk what we talk about level 6 and level 7. All right, let me go on. Now, then we also got some additional help besides what the team members doing. We've got this community channel inside where people can help each other. You can check the YouTube presentation on a step-by-step. This is what I'm going to do. Grace Community also got a YouTube channel running. Where if you're in your Grace account, you can actually ask in the Grace. Also, you're going to check, there's very short videos for assistance. There's training, there's documents, people, it is just amazing. Okay, and then we always say, people, some people just want to go on and help people. But in Team Aquila, as we are a community, we're going to start helping ourselves. There will be also in the app official training videos available. Okay. Now, people, you can see where the slide comes from. Just to sum up quickly, when you're in level 5, you're going to earn about $11,400. You're going to spend $1,600 because remember, you pay each level every month. You need to pay that funds. You're going to put possibly $9,700 in your pocket. And this is where we're asking in Team Aquila to keep this thing rolling. People, we're looking in 6 months' time. We must be over 10,000, 20,000 people here. And it is possible to do that. That is just for the start. You're going to put eventually $8,300 into your pocket. Now, just roughly, if you look at 8,8365 times 16.5, it's close to 140,000 Rand a month. You're not going to have trouble getting money. You're going to have trouble to figure out how to pay your tax or how to get your tax. But there's also videos and help for that. All right. Now, let's quickly round up here. This is what your Grace is looking. The first thing is there's 2 types of payments you need to do. Once you're registered in Grace Community, you're going to pay the $9. Now, again, people, I've got videos on my YouTube where you can see how to pay from your Web3 wallet or from your exchange like Binance and stuff. There's a very short and decent, because it does become tricky. You need to pay, if you get plus the fees, you'll see, for example, it's 9.2134. There's 4 digits behind it in Grace. If you take a wallet like, for example, Valor only uses 2 digits behind. Then you cannot use that Valor, because you can use it, but what's going to happen, you will need to send your TX ID to support in order for them to approve it, because it's not up to the cent in payment. All right. Okay. Then the $120 that you need to pay is actually $125. I'll come to it now. You guys can see. Now, I've got my slides around, but let's go for it. You got $9 that you pay. There's about a fee of internally between 20 cents and $1.50. It depends on the blockchain. Remember, people, this is related to blockchain, and blockchain, the more traffic there is on the blockchain, the more expensive it is. Then you've got your 120 plus your $5. The $5 is also again for fees internally in your Grace account. Then you've got the exchange fee. Say, for example, you cannot send $120 from Binance. You need to send $125 plus Sometimes you must go and look at what your wallet fee is. It can be 50 cents, 70 cents, or $1. It doesn't matter. So you need to look at those fees when you pay it over. Then you've also got from your bank. If you transfer funds from your bank to your wallet, it doesn't matter what wallet, you're paying a fee. And I didn't put that amount in here because sometimes it's 2% of that 5%. We're not, it all depends on your bank and your exchange wallet that you're using. So, but in a nutshell, if you count that money up, we're coming up to $137. I'm telling the people 138 because of that bank fee, plus even 140 people. The money is extra. It's going to be in this crypto wallet. So you're not going to lose it. Right. So roughly, this is about the amount that we're talking about at this stage where the rand dollar is today. Okay. Then once you've got your $125 into your crypto wallet, you will be able to pay your ambassador. So ambassador, the monthly subscription or the membership, the first time you need to pay the $9. If you do not pay the $9, you do not get access to the rest of the stuff in this wallet. So that is important. Pay the $9, get access. Grace is going to ask you to update your profile first. And once you've updated your profile, you're going to get access to your crypto wallet. Pay the funds into your crypto wallet. And from there on, you will see that your commissions inside will come to the internal wallet, and then the crypto wallet is your wallet where your funds is paid in. Now, just take note, on the monthly payment, you can actually pay from your crypto wallet. The moment you're earning money or you've got some money, you can pay your annual membership, either from the crypto wallet or from your internal wallet. But you will save. If you take this $90, 9 times 12 is what, 108? And if you pay an annual fee of $80, people, then it is also safe because your subscription doesn't expire. You're not worried for the whole year about that. Because if you miss the subscription fee, the money that you earn, that you might earn, is bypassing you to the person on top. All right. Let me go on. Now, some people say you're getting $100 from the person below you each time. It's actually 50-50. But not to become too technical, you're earning $100. Now people saying, but we're paying actually $120. Remember, this is when the Grace Essentials is going to open up. But in the meantime, we are paying that money. And we do not have to take it out of our pocket again. The $9 and the $29. If your lineage is becoming active and everybody is a team member, works together, you're actually going to earn that money daily from the people below you that's earning. And you guys will see it's 50, 25 cents, 15 cents. It all depends on what level it is. But that comes up. And as my predecessor, old Stefan, always used, all the small little bits fills up a bucket. All right. I hope it makes sense for you guys, and do not stress. But at least also cater, especially when you're starting, to have your $9 available in case there's something happens and you're not in. But if we're working as a team, we're not supposed to have that problem of. The other thing is that I forgot to tell you is that in Grace Community, the first time you registered your $120, you've got a guarantee from Grace Community that within that your subscription will not fall away until you've earned a minimum of $120. And from there on, the guarantee falls away from Grace side, and it's becoming our responsibility to do it. All right. I'm going to stop the recording now, and I'm going to open it up for people that is in your Zoom. Please remember that I do have my Zoom call is on a Monday evening, a Friday morning, and a Wednesday night, and the official Aquila Zoom is going to be every Thursday at 1900s. Okay, I thank you.